Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're well. It's Alessio speaking to you today from Switzerland, from the top of Europe. As you can see, the Swiss Alps behind me here. Quite an amazing view. All right, just a quick update on the stock markets. What's happening on the stock markets right now is really interesting. Mostly because the stock markets have not followed the traditional seasonal pattern of the Halloween effect. Usually at this time of year, between October to December, you see unusual strength in the stock markets. But this time it's not happened. That seasonal pattern has not followed. In fact, this has shocked and surprised a lot of analysts and chartists out there as to why this pattern has not followed or did repeat it this year. One particular reason could be that the markets are about to potentially enter a bear market. Now, I think the odds of a bear market could potentially increase if we fall below the lows of December. In fact, if we fall below the lows of December 10th, and more importantly, if we fall below the lows of February and January, it's about 25.81 on the stock markets. So watch that level closely. If the S&P falls below 25.81, then the odds of a bear market could potentially increase. Of course, we won't be in a bear market until we fall into the magic number of 24.69. So unless we fall into 24.69 on the stock markets on the S&P, there's no bear market officially as yet. However, one thing we have to remember is this, that a seasonal Santa Claus rally or the Christmas rally could repeat this year as well. Now, we have to wait and see. I think the Christmas rally or the Santa Claus rally could wait perhaps until the second half, perhaps as we get closer to the Christmas period. Usually the Christmas or Santa Claus rally starts about the 20th of December towards the end of December. But let's wait and see if that happens. So if there's a Santa Claus rally, some strength comes into the stock markets between the final parts of December. We could see a potential rally up to some resistance levels on the stock markets. And I think that rally could potentially fail. I think any rallies that happen between now and the end of December are more likely to fail than succeed. And I think what's going to happen is if we get that rally towards the end of December, you're going to potentially see a lot of the media talking about, oh, a rally in the markets and all that. And then that's when potentially the professionals or indeed the institutions could take advantage and push the markets lower again. So let's wait and see if that happens. But in the meantime, some dangerous things are happening in the markets. We're seeing the stock markets testing that key level of 25.81. So those are key levels. If we break those levels, it could get really ugly in the markets. And guys, before we go, make sure to join me in the important webinar, Christmas webinar we're doing with Paul Elliott. That's on the 18th of December. So go ahead and register on the link below, and I'll see you at the Christmas webinar. Thanks a lot.